Hello, today I have a belt buckle. It is Mickey, as you can see. It does say 1937, Hollywood, USA. On the back it has its buckle, Sun Rubber Company, and California. And I want you to take a look, if you can, right down here at the very bottom, which I'm trying to show you. It actually says TIFF, which is Tiffany. I don't know if you could see that. It's right there. And after some research, I see that that is Tiffany Studios. Why they put the buckle over that, I don't know, but they did. So this is what's for sale. Thank you.